All right, gentlemen, we're going to start by drawing a pyramid. It too is going to take a 2-point perspective. So we're going to start with 2 vanishing points, just like we did with our cube. This time I'm going to start without a vertical. I'm going to just start with 2 lines coming from the A vanishing point. So I'm going to draw one line, one short line, and then I'm going to draw another short line coming from the vanishing point. So they kind of are going to be parallel in perspective. Again, both are coming from the A vanishing point, and then the other 2 are going to be parallel coming off of those from the B vanishing point, or the other side from over there. So 2 are coming from one direction and 2 from the other to create a box that feels like it's laying down in perspective. And it is. It's in 2-point perspective, flat on the ground. Now, what we have done before is we have found the center of a box in perspective. That's where we have done crisscross. We've gone crisscross inside the boxes to find the center in perspective. So the center in perspective of this box is right here. Now I'm going to pull up a vertical line in the center of that box. Okay, and from the center of this point, I'm going to make this a little shorter here. I'm just going to go above the horizon line just a little bit. From the center of this point here, I'm going to draw down to the 3 corners that are visible on the front of this pyramid. So my frontmost 3 corners, the back of this pyramid cannot be seen well, but the front 3 corners are going to be viewable to our audience. So I connected all 3 of those to the point of this pyramid. All right. To make a shadow for this guy, I need to create another point of light. So I'm going to create a strong point of light way up here, right above him. Okay, again, I'm going to have that point of light kind of look like a lamp. Shine, shine, shine. Okay, and from this point, I'm going to bounce off the top of my pyramid down to sort of a ground area. Okay, the back of my pyramid and the front of my period are going to come into play. The front of my period needs to touch that line, as does the front of my pyramid. They both have to touch and come together to create a shadow on the flat table surface. So both the front of the pyramid and the back of the pyramid have to touch the point of light line. Okay, they have to merge to make that. Once we've done that, we can erase the point of light line and all of the inside information inside the pyramid, including the back corner. But we want to keep the front and all of the front viewable corners. Okay. Now, when it comes to shading this guy, okay, this side is going to be the brighter, so I would keep him in the HB category. It immediately goes to something darker to the HB, and then back to the 6B on the floor, and then fading out to a 4B on the floor.